Hi, I'm Francois from the Accounting Standards Academy, and this is our Accounting Standards course. Our accounting standard videos have helped thousands of accounting students over more than 10 years with their accounting studies and passing their exams. The video lectures in this course focus on understanding rather than rote learning and was designed to save you time, especially when studying on your own. The course consists of more than 400 short and concise video lectures on the core IAS and IFRS accounting standards, as well as group financial statements. There are also example videos as well as quizzes to test your knowledge. This course is focused on university and college accounting students, as well as candidates that are studying towards their professional board exams for qualifications like CIMA, ACCA, ICAS, SAICA, and many more. To enroll in the course, just click on the enroll button below this video or on our homepage. See you in the course.